So this tutorial is how to use the teleprompter. We use the teleprompter to do our monologues, a little introduction and context to the segments that we do. So you'll need the iPad. The password for ours is 8080 to get in. You're gonna need two different apps. One is Google Drive and one is Teleprompter. If you go to Google Drive, there should be the weekly notes that is shared with the iPad. If not, you can share it with nhsteched@gmail.com. Once you get the notes here, you're gonna see all of the different scripts. You're gonna take yours, press down and hold, and then you'll be able to copy. Once you have that copied, we're gonna go to our next app, which is Teleprompter. And Teleprompter has scripts right here. If you go back on My Scripts, you can add a new one and create new script. You're gonna take all of this and delete the text that it has and paste this in. Once you have your script right here, you can hit Save Script and it's gonna open the script. If it doesn't, you can go all the way to the bottom. It's gonna be the newest script. This is going to go onto our teleprompter system, and it goes right here. Notice that there's a mirror right here. If you put this in and you don't have the iPad mirrored, it's gonna be all kind of gibberish. What you need to do is go to the settings down here, mirror mode, and that will flip it around for you to record your monologue. One thing to note, sometimes what I like to do, you can hit start. This is going to play it, and there is also a slower fast option right here. Another thing that you can do is hit the settings right here and make this smaller. And sometimes you can get it so the entire monologue or paragraph will fit in there. When you do your monologue, you're going to stand straight. You're going to center the composition, and you're going to read straight into the teleprompter. The microphone should be about 6 inches from your face. It shouldn't be up here. It shouldn't be down here. And you should be reading like this. Give yourself a good affect. So, for instance, this would be, instead of recently, the ownership of Goodwin Block, it's going to be recently, the ownership of Goodwin Block on corner of Main and North Maple has changed hands. And so you're giving yourself a little affect. And that's everything for your monologue.